uThwala uveze ukuthi wayengeyena nje umngani kaSenzo kuphela, kodwa-ke wayengumngani omdala kaMandisa. Manje-ke izinto uMeyiwa ayezenza zazibuye zingehli kahle kuye. Khathi ethula ubufakazi, uZandile Khumalo nongudadewabo kaKelly wathi uMeyiwa wayevakashele uKelly ngoba eyoqala izingxoxo zamalobolo. Namhlanje-ke uThwala uphike walala ngomhlane uma ebuzwa ngokuthi uyazi yini ngalokhu.
Ms. Zandile Khumalo testified that Tumelo Madlala, one of the reasons why he came to visit Senzo is because they were going to do the lobola negotiations. Do you know anything about that?
Ayikho lonto. Engakusho ukuthi babethandana in reference to leyo malobola angiboni into ekhona leyo ngoba uSenzo wayengekazi alobole engagcilile kuMandisa ukuthi ufuna ukuthatha umfazi wesibili. Lokho ke ngangizokwazi. So leyo malobolo nje ayikho lonto.
Inkantolo ephakeme yasePitoli yezwa ukuthi kwashintshwa inombolo yocingo kaSenzo ngosuku ashona ngalo. uThwala uthe kumshaqile ukuzwa lokhu.
There is evidence that a swim swap was done on the deceased cell phone. Do you know anything about that?
Ngiyaqala ukuzwa lokho. Kuyangithusa futhi ke ukuthi kwenzeka lento eyenzakalile ngasekho.
Umile kwelokuthi bakhona abantu ababili abagasela endlini ngosuku okwabulawa ngalo uMeyiwa. Leli cala lizoqhubeka ngomsombuluko.